If you're craving a classic dish that's creamy, cozy, and packed with flavor, you've got to try this leek soup recipe. It's one of those comforting bowls you'll want on chilly days, or really anytime you need an easy, satisfying meal. I start with about 680 grams of leeks. Trim off the root ends, then slice each leek in half lengthwise. I use both the white and green parts because they each bring great flavor. After that, cut them into thin strips. I'd love to know which country you're watching from. I find it so fascinating. How's the weather in your city right now? Is it still chilly or has it warmed up? Let me know in the comments. Since leeks can trap dirt between their layers, I soak the sliced pieces in a large bowl of water for a bit. Leeks pack a surprising nutritional punch, offering vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron and manganese. Their mild, sweet flavor is perfect for a classic soup, adding both taste and healthy fiber. Toss them in a strainer and give them one final rinse under running water. That way, my leek soup comes out grit-free. Low in calories, yet high in water content, leeks can help fill you up without weighing you down. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a soup pot set over medium heat. Add the clean leeks and sauté for a few minutes until they soften. No need to brown them heavily, just let them turn tender and release their amazing aroma. While the leeks are softening, peel and chop 680 grams of potatoes. Potatoes add hearty creaminess to this classic leek soup, naturally thickening the broth as they simmer. They also provide vitamins C and B6, along with potassium for a nutritional boost. Plus, their mild flavor perfectly balances the sweet notes of the leeks, resulting in a satisfying and cozy bowl every time. I prefer cutting them into smaller cubes so they cook faster. Definitely give this recipe a try. I'm sure once you taste it, it'll become a weekly staple, no matter how the weather's looking. All right, the leeks have softened up beautifully, and their aroma is filling the air. Now it's time to add the potatoes. Toss the potato chunks into the pot. Give everything a quick stir, and let them mingle with the leeks for a couple of minutes. Next, pour in about 950 milliliters of stock. Chicken or vegetable stock works great. You want enough liquid to just cover the leeks and potatoes. If you run short on stock, just add a bit of water. Pop a lid on the pot and let this classic dish simmer for around 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Dear friends, I'd be so grateful if you could like and subscribe to support us. We're just a small channel, and with your help, I'm sure we can reach more viewers. It only takes a moment of your time, but it means the world to us. Now comes the luxurious part. Stir in 1 cup, 237 milliliters of heavy cream. Bring the soup back to a gentle simmer and let it bubble for a few minutes to thicken up. This step gives your leek soup that classic, velvety texture we all love. You can puree the soup completely if you want it silky smooth, or just blend part of it to keep some hearty chunks. An immersion blender makes this super easy. If your soup turns out thicker than you'd like, simply stir in a little more stock. Finish by seasoning with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. An easy, classic dish that celebrates the simple goodness of leeks and potatoes in a single bowl. This leek soup is perfect for cozy evenings, family gatherings, or any time you need a flavorful meal that warms you from the inside out. Garnish with some chopped parsley, a drizzle of olive oil, and maybe a handful of crunchy croutons. And that's it. Serve it hot and get ready to enjoy the creamy, comforting taste that'll have everyone asking for seconds. If you enjoyed this soup, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for even more delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Bon appétit!